Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm sorry if I haven't posted for like a cool month now, and bear with me. I know that I'm a fast talker, like I be seeing y'all comments saying that I talk way too fast, and I'm sorry about that, you know what I'm saying? I'll try to talk slower, you know what I'm saying? Hey guys, today's video is gonna be about MySmile. This thing is supposed to whiten your teeth, so I'm gonna give it a shot. One of my coworkers introduced this to me like 4 months ago, but I never even used it, so this thing is about 4 months old. Yes guys, I use Colgate every day. Alright, 2 times a day with this thing. This thing, hopefully it works, you know what I'm saying? It'll be linked down below if you guys are interested in this thing. But yes guys, that's up to day 1 with this teeth. Alright guys, so this is how my teeth looks like on day 1. Bear with me, alright? Graphic warning. This teeth is gonna be but you know what I'm saying? So this is day 1. So like, as you guys can see, like, it's not super yellow or super white, but it has like a yellow tint to it. So this is what it is inside of the packaging. Like, goddamn, the syringe, man, this thing, I don't know what this thing is, but yes. All right guys, so honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just following the direction in here. And it says that to use like 0.5 on each side, back and front, just like these two are here, to like this one at the front and this one at the back. So this thing, and then this thing at the back. I guess that's how it is. Let's separate these a little bit. All right, so I got it. So I guess you just stick this thing in and click this button right here, and then wait for like 10 minutes until it turns off. So yeah. I don't even know, but this is after 2 minutes. Oh hell no! Oh, it tastes so nasty, guys. This thing is hella disgusting. So sorry if you guys had to see that. That is the aftermath when, you know, you took it out, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I know that's kind of gross, but you know, that's how it is, you know what I'm saying? But low key though, like, it looks the same to me. Like, there's no big difference. I guess it's just day 1. Comment down below if like there's any big difference for day 1. Let's hop into day 2. All right, so this is the second day, and I'm gonna do a time lapse so y'all won't have to see me repeat everything all over again. And I'm gonna do this for a whole week, so 7 days. All right, 7 days to see if there's any progress. I was gonna do like about like 5 days, but like it told me to do 7 days. Alright guys, so this is day 2, right? So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like I guess it still looks I guess it's a little bit wider. But this is only day 2. Day 7 will probably be a big change. So yes, let's go to day 3. Alright guys, so this is day 3, and let's hop into this day. Alright guys, so this is day 3, and I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but day 3 looks like this. I don't know if I think far away, like, it's a little bit wider, like, but like close up, like, I don't know. I feel like it kind of makes a big difference, but not ish, but it's just bigger than the 3rd day, so, you know. And guys, let's hop into day 4. Alright guys, so this is day 4, and let's get started.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Alright guys, so this is day 4. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, it looks the same to me, you know? Like, you know, like, it looks the same to me, guys. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I don't know. Y'all need something, and let's hop into day 5. Alright guys, so this is day 5, and let's hop into it. Alright guys, so this is day 5, right? You guys be the judge, you know, comment down below. I have 2 more days to go because on the instruction it says 7 days only. But yeah, you guys be the judge, you know. Day 5, like, comment down below because Low-key, it kind of looks the same to me, but yes. Anyways, guys, let's go to day 6. Alright, guys, so this is day 6, and let's get started. Alright, guys, so this is day 6. Like, can y'all tell a difference or no? You know? You know? Jeez. You know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, let's hop into day 7, which is the last day, and we will compare to day 7 to day 1 to see if there's any big changes or any results at all. Alright, guys, so this is day 7, which is the last day as the instructions said. So later on in this video, I'm gonna be comparing day 1 to day 7 if there's any big difference at all. From my experience from yesterday, day 6, it kind of whitened it already, but we'll see, you know. So yeah. Alright, guys, so this is day 7. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I can kind of see the results, you know. And don't mind this pimple. I got it from wearing too much mask, you know, because of the COVID-19. But low key, do you guys see a difference, you know? I can kind of, but yeah, let's compare it now to day 1. Alright, guys, so let's compare them right now. So the top one, it is the first day, and then the bottom one, it is the 7th day, which was the last day, you know what I'm saying? So yes, guys, you guys be the judge, alright? And low key, I feel like it looks the exact same to me. I don't know. I think I just have bad eyesight, but you guys be the judge, alright? You guys be the judge. Low key, I feel like it kind of makes it a little bit white. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. But then like low key, I feel like in person, it kind of whitened it. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys be the judge. Comment down below if there's any changes or not throughout the video or so. So yes, guys. And anyways, if you guys are interested in this thing, it'll be linked down below. You know what I'm saying? And yes, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe. You know, check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. You know what I'm saying? And yes, guys. But in the meantime, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.